Hi, this is Joy,
Hi, this is Asta.
and we are almost adults. See, we are almost adults, and we are gonna have a series of episodes of this podcast, and it's going to be about youth, purpose, and rebellion. And today we are going to talk about what are we even rebelling against. What do you?
Okay, so according to you, what are you rebelling against?
I actually do not know what I'm rebelling against. So, like, we have a few pointers over here
And
as to what we might be rebelling against. Let's see if we relate to it or not.
funny thing, हम दोनों की opposite है.
Yeah, we were discussing right before before recording, and we are literal opposites. Like our
Because
expectations.
He still doesn't know what he is rebelling against, and I know what I am rebelling against.
So you tell me, what are you rebelling against?
So देख, अभी I'm in a family, right? So my parents have many expectations from me, and I have a younger brother, जो apparently मुझसे भी ज़्यादा होशियार है. Okay?
Yeah.
And I chose arts field. I chose BA MMC, right? And my parents were always used to force me to do like engineering or medical field, but I never listened to them. ठीक है, मैंने उनका कभी नहीं सुना. My mom was like, वो अपना सर फोड़ देगी अगर मैंने आर्ट्स लिया तो. So she was like, if you're not doing engineering, if you're not doing medical, so at least commerce ले ले. And then you do BMM. I was like, अगर मुझे BMM करना है तो मैं commerce लेके क्यों करूँ?
Right.
Arts लेके करूँगी. So she was like, मैं अपना सर फोड़ दूँगी. I was like, you know what? Do whatever you want. तुझे सर फोड़ना है. मैं arts choose करूँगी.
हाँ.
And guess what?
What?
मैंने arts लिया. She did nothing. She gave up.
And here she is doing BMM with Joy Chettiar.
Yeah. So the thing is, my parents and मेरा thinking is totally opposite. So for them, relations, emotions matters a lot.
Even for me, it does matter. Like, for me, way before money comes relationships and the experiences I get.
For me, I'm not an emotional person. ठीक है? The thing is, मेरे मम्मा को और मेरा बहुत झगड़ा होता है. Because उसको मेरा ड्रेसिंग सेंस पसंद नहीं है. उसको मैं जैसे रहती हूँ वैसा पसंद नहीं है. उसको मेरा थिंकिंग पसंद नहीं है. उसको मेरा एटीट्यूड पसंद नहीं है. So she hates like me बहुत सारे things, right? And I hate the way she lives. I hate her dressing sense. ठीक है? But the thing is, उसको ये नहीं समझ में आता. It was her generation.
And this is our generation.
So जिस जनरेशन में हमारा ड्रेसिंग सेंस, for me it is like street wear or something like that, for her it is like छपरी.
So okay, इसके पॉइंट्स है ना, मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि like I got to know something. So earlier when जब मैं 5th में था, I was like I always wanted to be a graphic designer or something like that. ठीक है, था दिमाग में था ये, but then I saw my cousin becoming a pilot and it seemed so cool that I put into my mother's head that I will become a pilot.
Oh my god.
And 5th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके 12th तक मैं बोल रहा था पायलट बनूंगा. बट 12th में आकर मैंने बोला, मम्मा नहीं, पायलट नहीं होगा मेरे से, पायलट
What
नहीं
was your
होगा.
mother's reaction?
मैं मम्मी बोलती है कि तूने प्लेन उड़ने के पहले ही क्रैश करा दिया, इतना एक्सपेक्टेशंस दिखा. एंड देन शी हेटेड द फैक्ट दैट आई एम गोइंग इनटू मीडिया फील्ड बिकॉज like according to her, media is only paparazzis. She does not understand media as a whole. So it was very difficult for her to understand that I am going into media, like the BMM. She still doesn't get it, but she has accepted it.
She gave up on you.
She did give up on me. That and like my rebellion did
What
work.
the funny thing is, 10th में I was in this tuition. So वहाँ के जो teachers थे हमें सिखाने वाले, they were like engineering students.
Yeah.
So जो हमारे एक sir थे, उनका family background was like an army background.
हाँ.
So हमारे क्लास में जितने भी बच्चे थे उनको NDA करना था.
Oh.
उनका गोल ही था NDA.
I don't like all this competitive exams.
So the thing is, पढ़ाई करते थे, but he used to give us extra knowledge, outer knowledge. But I was like, you know what? 10th के syllabus में ये नहीं है. Because 10-12 बजे तक we used to have lectures, and बीच में ना पढ़ाई रह जाता था. He used to teach us
हाँ.
other stuff.
दूसरा.
Yeah. So most of the students उस batch में उनको NDA करना था. When my mom got to know, she was like, you know what? You should do NDA. And I was like, तुम्हें लगता ही NDA like मेरे पे कुछ
Sign
नहीं
NDA.
No. And then I was like, no, मैं नहीं कर सकती NDA. Like, how can you even think मैं NDA कर सकती हूँ? It's not my cup of tea.
So basically, we are coming to the conclusion that all this, like our age group, is rebelling against family pressure as to like them imposing how we should live our lives according to them. Okay. So the next thing in this book of adulting is society expecting perfection. तूने कभी notice किया है everyone like तू किसी के पास भी जाए who is not your friend and you just know them, तू उनको पूछेगी how life is going on, वो बंदा बोलेगा बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, मेरा ये हो गया है, वो हो गया, मेरे को ये मिला, वो मिला. They will never accept that they are lacking behind. No one accepts that they are lacking behind. तो
But I do that.
है
I do that. Yeah.
दोगली दो मुंह वाली.
No, I thought दोगली when someone asked me कि कैसे चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. You know what the funny thing is? मेरे friends group में I guess I'm the only one who's pursuing BA. And बाकी के सब मेडिकल या फिर इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं. Okay, so of course imagine someone doing medical and engineering, उनका लाइफ कैसे चल रहा होगा, कट रहा होगा. So when someone asked me,
उनके कंपैरिजन में हमारा बहुत ही अच्छा है.
Yeah, like बहुत अच्छा, interesting. You know, I do this, I do that, I go here, I go there. सब free है. दूर कॉलेज का तुम्हारे जैसा नहीं, इधर ही कॉलेज. So like yeah, but no, मैं ये कभी नहीं करती कि you know, मैं accept करती हूँ मैं कहाँ lack कर रही हूँ. I know because I'm aware about it.
See, this is what I like that we as Gen Zs understand that सब लोग एक ही बोट पे है, कोई ऐसा कोई क्रूज पे नहीं पैदा हो गया है.
Exactly.
तो like सबको अपने अपने struggles हैं and that is what we know. And we just want others to listen and take into consideration about us, like about our rebellion, about our struggles. That तुम्हारे struggles बड़े नहीं थे, हमारे भी equal ही है.
बस सबका situation सबका
That differs.
Yeah.
That is some other topic. That's not something.
Like when parents says हम स्कूल जाते थे इतने दूर.
नहीं बस हो गया, वो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, बहुत लंबा
I
हो
know,
जाएगा.
but I need to tell you this. My parents are always like, so basically मेरे पापा गाँव में थे.
हाँ.
तो उनको स्कूल जाने के लिए एक्चुअली दूसरे गाँव जाना पड़ता था, जो बहुत ही दूर होता था.
हाँ.
ठीक है, बारिश में एंड ऑल. So used to tell us हम ऐसे जाते थे, फिर जमीन पे बैठते थे, ऐसा वैसा वो सब ये सब. Like listen, तुम्हारा हाँ, then he says कि आजकल के जनरेशन को सब मिल रहा है, इसके लिए उतना कीमत नहीं है.
उन्हें सब कौन दे रहा है? तुम ही तो दे
The
रहे हो.
thing is, तुम्हारा तब वैसा था.
हाँ.
तब डेवलपमेंट नहीं था, टेक्नोलॉजीज नहीं थे, कुछ नहीं था. अभी वो सब है. सो तुम्हें जब उस टाइम पे नहीं मिला तो तुम चाहते हो कि तुम अपने बच्चों को वो सब दो, एंड यू आर द ओनली वन.
Who's giving?
Yeah, and you are the only one who is complaining about it. So दो ही मत उससे अच्छा तुम.
So basically, society expects everyone to be perfect, but सबको अंदर ही अंदर पता है कि कोई perfect नहीं है.
No one can be पूरा perfect.
And the definition of perfection is different for everyone. अब मेरे लिए perfect मैं हूँ perfect. क्या कर लोगे बताओ? तू है perfect
I'm
नहीं है.
perfect.
मेरे लिए नहीं है.
Even you are not perfect.
Exactly.
Come on, let's go.
If you want to be perfect for someone else, you will never be perfect for yourself.
Firstly, you should be perfect for yourself.
हाँ, दूसरों के लिए मत करो कुछ करना है.
Because दूसरा तुम्हें कभी भी परफेक्ट नहीं देखने वाला है. उनके लिए तुम कुछ ना कुछ लैक करोगे क्योंकि उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस वैसे हैं.
हाँ. Okay, next point in this book of adulting is social media and fake life.
According to you, what are your insecurities जो डेवलप या फिर बिल्डअप हुई है because of social media?
Oh, because of social media, I am insecure about the way my nose looks. Like for real, the way my nose looks, my color, my body type. I am insecure about all this just because of social media. हर दूसरा influencer ऐसा पतला सा गोरा सा लड़का है. Not even influencer, हर मॉडल भी ऐसा गोरा सा पतला सा लड़का है. मेरे जैसे कहाँ जाए बताओ. So obviously, the social media has made this stereotype that good-looking people are only thin and fair with
The beauty
perfect
standards.
nose. The beauty standards,
Yeah.
basically.
सब चाहते हैं कि वो उस ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड को मैच करे.
हाँ.
So somewhere और कहीं ना कहीं वो खुद को लूज कर रहे हैं. मतलब भूल जाते हैं अपने आप की पर्सनालिटी को या फिर वो कैसे एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं रहता है.
I would like to ask the same question to you. What are your insecurities through social media? जो like social media की वजह से develop हुआ है कुछ में?
चश्मा है.
चश्मा करिश्मा insecurity
No,
है.
the thing is though, when you see most of the people,
हाँ.
pretty eyes they have.
But so many people are there who look. Okay, yeah, this is my perspective.
Yeah,
That's the
my,
person.
you know what? अगर मैं चश्मा निकालूंगी तो मैं Chinese लगूंगी.
उतार ना.
I have this small eye.
अरे चल उतार
And
भाई.
they're uneven kind.
अरे अनियन तो सबका यार अच्छी तो दिखती है.
अच्छी दिखती हो, but the only thing is, you know, जब तुम खोलते हो social media, and people have such a pretty eyes, like किसी के ना green आंखें है, किसी के blue eyes है, and someone ना उनके eyelids भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. मेरे पास नहीं है. मैं चश्मा निकाल दूँ तो मैं Chinese लगूंगी. So it's like, काश मेरे पास भी ऐसे perfect eyes होती है, you know, because you know always you see people, अगर किसी को तुम्हें कोई compliment देना है, flirt करना है, so they'll always go for your eyes.
Oh, yeah,
Pretty
yeah.
eyes or something like that. I don't have them. So people usually think, हाँ, eyes नहीं, but I got a pretty smile.
Also, one point that I would like to say is about social media. Everyone is behind following aesthetics. खुद का self impression नहीं बचा है. And we as Gen Zs, we are the ones who bought an aesthetic,
Yeah.
okay? Like being aesthetic and minimalistic, whatever. But now we are the only ones who are going against it and, you know, expressing ourselves in the ways we want. Like, I love colors, okay? So I will put colors. Doesn't matter. I don't care about others, what they are saying.
Yeah, you know what? जब मैं कपड़े खरीदने जाती हूँ, whatever it is, comfort से ज़्यादा I choose like colors and aesthetics of the, you know, clothes or
But
whatever it is.
you try to choose what shows you the best, right? तो ऐसे
Yeah.
देखने का नहीं, you don't think what others will
So,
say, right?
whenever मैं कपड़े खरीदने जाती हूँ, मैं पहले से ये क्या है? Black कपड़े, black jacket, black tracks, जो भी है, black top, whatever. And you know what? अगर मैं अभी कॉलेज जा रही हूँ, so I'll wear sweatpants, crop top और tank top, उस पे jacket, मतलब बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं तेरे पास. Why not वो कपड़े? It's like, एक तो मेरे को 2 घंटे ट्रैवल करना है. You can't expect me to travel इतना सब इसमें. Comfort is like first for me. But अगर मैं कपड़े खरीदने जाती हूँ, so with comfort, you know, खुद का भी एक कुछ
हाँ, like
personality तुम्हारी दिखे हुए, you know, like this is you,
Yeah.
वो दिखाने के लिए. So yeah.
Huh. So, in conclusion, we rebel against family pressure, society expecting perfection, and social media and fake life. Like, बस करो यार, express करो, be self-expressive, have individuality. What's your opinion about individuality? Like, basically, world has become same चीजें. Like, ये रोड का लिपस्टिक, रोड का whatever lip gloss यूज करती थी, मैं भी रोड का यूज करूँगा ऐसा.
Be yourself, find yourself, you know, like बस कोई और वो कर रहा है, फिर तुम्हारा फ्रेंड वो कर रहा है, जरूरी नहीं कि तुम्हें भी वो करना चाहिए. Not to be noticed. Be yourself, people will notice you because सबका नजरिया अलग होता है ना चीजों को
Yeah.
notice करने का. That's it.
And this rebellion is not something we are going against the previous generation or anything. It's just for ourselves to be expressive and to be able to do what we want to do in a good way for our own benefit. That's it. And me and Astha will see you in the next episode of Almost Adults. Bye.